Okay, how to do jive with the body action. So when we do jive, what is the basic walk? It's we have a rock step, we're going backward walk, we replace forward, we have triple step to the right, and then we have a triple step to the left. But what is the body action? So it's very similar to samba. If we put our hand on our lower tummy and we do it in, out, in, out, in, out. So this simple movement is always should be there as we do jive. So very similar to samba, but has a little bit shorter feeling about it. And now we can do a double. We can go down, combining with our knees and tummy, knees and tummy. So every time you bend your knee, you collect your tummy. Every time you straighten your knee, you release tummy. 1, 2, 1, 2. Now in samba, as we bend our knee, we just collect our tummy and then release. In jive, as we bend our knee, we have a double release. We have and 1 and 2, and 1 and 2. Like our tummy doing double movement. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So try it on other leg. And 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Now feel that movement, tummy contracting as we take every step. So go and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Imagine that when we dance, we want to lift that knee a little bit higher because you know in jive, our steps going up and over. So we're lifting our leg. So imagine like from that tummy, by contracting that tummy, is actually bringing your knee up. Walk. So as you do your tummy, that's what brings that opposite knee up. 1, 1. So we're going to count count That's when we use our tummy to bring this knee up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the same we're going to use for triple step. Triple step. Now use your tummy here in triple step. Triple step. Because the most mistakes what we see is just people leave the leg and there is no body activity which activates that leg. So it's not recommended just to leave your knee as you do triple step. You want to have some body activity, which is a lower tummy contracting, which bring that knee up. Pull step, triple step. The same for the rock step. Instead of just going simple legs, we're going to engage our tummy muscle. We go 1, engage this tummy muscle. 2, that will raise that knee. Triple step, triple step. And then when we increase speed, we want to increase body action speed, not relax speed. So you go 1, 2, 3 step, triple step. 1, 2, triple step, triple step. So this is a basic, and always we want to apply the basic idea to our choreography. So for example, we have this funny step where we're just twisting and walking like this. So how we can make this funny movement a little bit more technical. So we know that in basic, we use our tummy to raise our knees as we're doing triple step and as we're doing rock step. So the same here, instead of just twisting here, we're gonna engage our tummy to a little bit raise that knee. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And for example, we have kicks. Instead of just throwing our legs right and left, we're gonna engage a little bit tummy muscle here to create a little bit more bouncing body action flavor. So we can put that action into every step. Got it? Got it. And you guys got it too.